Hari Om. This is an English translation of an online satsang with our Guru, Paramhans Swami Shri Nisprispandanji. There was a question by a disciple. Swamiji, is there a way to become truly non-judgmental? Swamiji responds to this question by telling us that there are two complementary approaches to transcend the tendency of judgment. These two paths are not mutually exclusive, rather, they support and enrich one another. The first approach is to fall in love with the world around us as a living, breathing manifestation of the divine. Every person, every child, every animal, and every creation of nature should be seen as a vessel of the sacred. When one sees others as expressions of the divine, it becomes difficult to harbor resentment, jealousy, hatred, or anger. This vision helps dissolve the inner hypocrisy that believes that I deserve love, respect, comfort, and opportunity while denying the same to others. It transforms entitlement into empathy. The second approach is to fall deeply in love with one's own true self, not the ego-based I or me, but the witness conscious within us, which we refer to as the eternal soul. When a seeker recognizes the heart as the seat of the divine, he begins to treat every thought, every emotion, and every choice with sacred responsibility. He knows that whatever he permits himself to feel, whether sorrow or bliss, is also experienced by the divine within. This inner awareness creates a protective filter in our mind, allowing only the purest thoughts and emotions to be embraced. By shielding ourselves from harmful influences, be it mental, emotional, or physical, one eliminates the very perception of hurt. And where there is no hurt, there can be no judgment. Swamiji beautifully illustrates this truth by recalling the story of Gurudwara Shri Patthar Sahib in Leh Ladakh, India. It is said that after travelling across Sikkim, Nepal and Tibet, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji arrived near Leh in 1517. The local people at that time were terrified by a fierce demon who lived on a nearby hill. These people found some solace in Guruji's presence. Angered by this, the demon hurled a massive boulder at Guruji's back to kill him. But when the rock touched his body, it softened like wax and clung to him without causing harm. The demon was bewildered to see the rock turn into wax. He tried to shove the boulder with his foot, but his foot too sank into the stone, leaving his footprint behind. Witnessing this miracle, the demon was overcome with awe and he surrendered. This story exemplifies the power of divine love within, the ability to transform even acts of aggression into silent acts of grace.
Hari Om. We invite you to deepen your spiritual exploration with our newly launched ebook, Dive into the Unknown. This book offers invaluable insights by Swamiji that will guide you on your path of self-discovery and inner transformation. This book is available on all Amazon platforms across the globe. You can find the link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to explore more of these teachings in Hindi or Finnish, be sure to check out our other YouTube channels. Links to those channels are in the description below. Whether in English, Hindi or Finnish, the wisdom remains the same, timeless, universal and deeply enriching. Thank you for watching and do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Hari Om.